We've all heard of the famous four-ace effect, the aces of Capistrano, performed by Glenn Morphew and myself. The aces are a very, very special card. That's right. Birds of a feather flock together, and the same thing is true with the aces. For example, the ace of diamonds, the ace of clubs, the ace of hearts, and of course, the ace of spades, which is the leader ace. I'll put the other aces in the deck and give them a mixing. Okay? Now, remember I said aces want to stay together. No matter where I touch, if I touch this card right here and I take it out, I want to show you that it is indeed, we found one ace, the ace of diamonds. Next, the ace of clubs. Let's see if we can find the ace of clubs. Maybe we can, maybe we can't. Maybe I got lucky with that. Maybe I didn't get lucky with it. I say the ace of clubs is right here. Right? The ace of clubs. We have one more ace to go. That's right. Some people call it the ace of love. The ace of hearts is the ace of love. Here we go. Hovering. I believe that that is the ace of heart. Do you believe me? If, of course, I turn it over, you will see indeed that it's the ace of hearts. And remember I said, the aces are like the birds. They flock together. Ciao.